Hi guys, this is Ila. Welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Nursing. Here you will get educational contents on various nursing related topics. Very often what happens in our nursing life is we remain busy with our daily routine. Clinical duties, class hours, class presentations, health talks and whatnot. So at the end of the day, we don't have much time and energy left for tuition classes. And we don't have anyone to ask also. Yes, we do group studies with friends. I also did that while I was in college. But sometimes we feel it would be better if we had some ready-made contents in our hands, right? With explanations and clarifications. I finished my BSc Nursing in 2014 and I also felt the same problem. But right now, people are so much familiar with YouTube. And during our time, there were not many channels, YouTube channels about nursing back then. And we were not even aware of that so much. But today, you people are so familiar with YouTube. So I thought, why not make some well-explained contents on nursing related topics with clarifications so that you don't have to face the same problem which I faced. This is my first video. First of all, thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this channel will be helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. So, what I have done here is, guys, I have taken the subjects like nursing subjects like nursing education, nutrition and dietetics, nursing foundation or fundamentals of nursing, whatever you call it, medical surgical nursing, mental health nursing, child health nursing, midwifery and obstetrics nursing, and community health nursing. Now, if you look at the subjects, if you look at the contents of the subjects at a glance, then it's very vast and it's impossible to cover. So what I have done is, I have taken a single subject at a time and explain the chapters one by dividing it into a number of short videos. You will get explanation in detail about every basic thing regarding that particular topic in these videos. You can also use these videos to get ideas about your presentations, which you can use in your assignments. Now another important thing is that if I go on with the same subject day after day, then it will be very boring and monotonous. So I will be switching subjects in between and I will try to upload 2 or 3 videos every week. I mean, that is the initial plan. I promise you guys that this channel will be a very helpful guide in your journey of nursing, whether it may be your course of study or in-service study. So just support the channel and be with me, guys. Meet you in the next video with a fresh topic. Okay? Till then, wish you happy learning. Bye guys.